Everyone, thank you so much for coming here and joining us. Thank you, everyone, for coming in short notice. What's really interesting about what's happening today is that there is a particular irony. Most of the refugees that are in this country and those on their way, and most of the immigrants in this country are members of our community who are fleeing countries because they are living in fear. They are looking for independence. They are looking to live in a democracy that welcomes them. And the irony in this is that this country that people are fleeing to is becoming one of tyranny. It's becoming one of dictatorship, and it's becoming one that is turning its face against the values that it's supposed to stand for. The immigrants of today, the refugees of today, are not that far different from the refugees and the immigrants of yesterday. Your grandfathers, your great-grandfathers, your grandmothers, and your great-grandmothers, and some of you, your parents. The same for our president, his great-grandparents, or immigrants themselves. When they were coming here, they were seeking particular opportunities that would allow them to have a job, to have an income to feed their kids, to have an opportunity to get an education, to have an opportunity to give their children better life and a different trajectory than the one they would have if they stayed in their own country. That is what our current president got because of his great-grandparents fleeing for that particular opportunity. This is what he's denying us, what he's denying our relatives who want to come here, who want to live in freedom, who understand what it means to be silenced. This is supposed to be the country that is supposed to welcome people. So here's what I want to say about the immigrants and the refugees that Donald Trump, our president, is trying to divide and fearmonger around. We are doctors, we're teachers, we're poets, we're business owners, we're factory workers. Despite the cold here in Minnesota and in many parts of America, we experience the warmth of welcoming neighbors. We raise children here, and we raise future leaders. I hope the new administration and other doubters will come and they will visit immigrant communities and they will see the kind of lives that we are building here. I want to offer an opportunity for our new president to come and spend a day with me to see what it is to be Somali, to be Muslim, and to be a refugee that has gotten the opportunity to have a new life. That is my message. And I hope he takes me up on my offer. Thank you.